Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. It means a lot. In today's video we'll be working on a Bmw E46, guys, and if you have a 3 Series Bmw E46 from 1998 to 2006 with a diesel engine and automatic transmission, guys, and you're trying to find the fuse for the diesel engine, automatic transmission, automatic gearbox, stay with us, we'll show you guys where to find that. In addition, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this vehicle. We'll be taking it completely apart. Our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment below. So let's go ahead and start on the problem now. So let us show you guys now where you can find that fuse. You need to go ahead and open your glove box right here. Once you open the glove box, you have two white things on top of the glove box that you need to turn like that. Okay, perfect, and drop down. Now the fuse numbers, guys, for the top row of fuses is listed right here. The bottom row, okay, you can kind of see with black print on the bottom. Now the fuse, guys, that we are looking at, guys, for the automatic gearbox diesel engine, guys, will be fuse number 64. Okay, and fuse number 64, guys, okay, it should be a 5 amp fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller from here, grab it. Okay, and this is, guys, the fuse right there. I'll go ahead and grab a new one now. Okay, you can find, guys, in the description of the video below where we get that whole fuse box from for a really good price, very affordable price. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and place the new one. That's the whole procedure, guys. Okay, make sure you get it all the way in. In addition, okay, everything needs to align, otherwise it's not going to go in good. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and push it down like that. And after that, just go ahead, okay, and turn it like that. Close it. So, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.